So yesterday we saw two more sandhis. We saw what happens when you have any I or E, I or E meeting any vowel. It makes the sound Y plus the vowel. It changes to a Y, halan. We also saw that if you have U or U meeting a vowel, the U or U changes into a V, and then you have the vowel after that. So I hope that everyone got some nice practice with the homework. We'll go through it together. Again, remember, every time you reach a question, you have to write what the rule is. So the rule for this is A plus A equals A, correct? A plus A equals A. And the answer then will be nay tat. It's one thing to be able to say the word, and it's another thing to be able to write the word correctly. Nay tat. I don't want anyone to make the mistake and write the vowel in the word. Remember, in Sanskrit, we never ever write vowels in the middle of words, right? So there should be no A or A in the middle of this word. Okay, next. Tvayi upapadyate. E plus U equals Yahalant plus U. So the answer is going to be Tvayupapadyate. Tvayupapadyate. The E is going to change into a Yahalant. Tvayupapadyate. I'm going slowly so that everyone can check their homework, but not slowly enough that if you didn't do your homework, you can follow. Okay. All right, next. Tvayupapadyate. I hope everyone got this double ya. This is how you write the double ya. Tvayupa. Okay. Iha eva. A plus A equals A. Then you get E, hey, v. Eheva. The A has two cherries here, even though it has only one cherry on the actual vowel. That's just the way it's written. Okay. Cha etat. A plus A equals A. And that will become chetat. Chetat. So far, so good. Anu ashochaha. U plus A equals Vahalan plus A. And that's going to become, so the Nu is going to become Nahalant. I'm going to write this one out actually. A Nahalant. U is the first word. The next word is A Shahalant. O Shahalant. Aha. Correct? Anu Ashochaha. The U is going to change into a Vahalant. So what you're going to get now is un va sho jaha. So now how do you write that? That will become a n halant, half na, va, sho, cha. A very common mistake is to keep the na full. If anyone wrote that, well, now you know this is how it works. The u drops, so the na becomes a half na. And you have a v next to it after that. A lot of conjunct consonants come in these sandhis, right? Okay, so that's that. Tu eva. You have u plus a equals vahalant plus a. Again, the same thing is going to happen here. The u from the tu is going to turn into a vahalant. So the ta, which is full, means looks full because of the u, is going to become half. Tva is what the first one is going to be. And the a from the eva is going to become a vowel symbol. Tveva. Tveva. Cha eva. A plus a equals a. That's going to be easy. Java. Once you've done one of these, they become very easy. Once you get one wrong, you got all wrong. So you have to fix all of them. But once you got one right, then you get all right. Okay, Java. Vyathayanti ete. Vyathayanti ete. The E is going, E plus A is going to become Yahalant plus A. So then the anti is going to become antye. Antye. Vyathayantyete. Vyathaya. The half the instead of a ya and an a and then the thing. Vyathayantyete. Everybody should be saying it when I say it also. I'm taking time to pronounce it so your mouth learns to form all of these sounds properly with the sentence. Vyathayantyete. Cha enam. A plus A equals A. That will be Jainam. I wasn't trying to find more of one. These are sandhis that exist in the chapter, so you can get a sense of which ones come very often. This is a k, by the way, kahalant, not v. If you missed that, that's a kahalant. Kla, that's a kledayanti apaha. My handwriting was not super clear there, so you may have missed that. I just wanted to point it out. Okay. Kledayanti apaha. The E plus a is going to become yahalant plus a. Then what you're going to get clay. I hope you can see the kahalant now. Huh? Clay. Anyways, it wouldn't have affected your answer. So you just get the word right now. Clay, the, yeah. T is going to become tia. And there's an R, so it's going to become tia. Tia. Kledayantyapah. Can you hear the two words when you say them together? Kledayantyapah. That you should be able to hear. Oh, there's a E sandhi going on over there. Viditva enam. A plus A becomes A. Then this will become Vidit Venam. Vidit Venam. Na evam. A plus A equals Venam. Easy. Now these A and A will be easy. A. And everyone knows how to write it also now. If you got any wrong, you should be correcting it. You shouldn't just be watching me write it. I'm talking to the young people in this class who are just watching me like a show right now. You know who you are. I don't want to call your name again. Okay. Nidhanani eva becomes the E of A plus A equals Yahalant plus A. Nidhanani eva is going to become Nidhananyeva. Nidhananyeva. Nidhana ye ba. Nidhananyeva. Next. Tatha eva. A plus A equals A. And so this word is going to be Tatheva. Those who chant Bhagavad Gita, I don't know about you, but when I learned Sandhi, it's like fireworks went off in my head. This is what it is? It was like magic. Okay. Tapi enam. E plus A equals Yahalant plus A. So you're going to get a P half P yenam. Not apa yenam, up yenam. The P is going to become half because it's losing its A and it's becoming a conjunct consonant with the Y. Up yenam, not apa yenam. Okay. Api asya. E plus A is Yahalant plus a. Also here, very same thing is going to happen. A, pia, sya. Apyasya. Hi anantaha. E plus a equals yahalant plus a. See how common this I sandhi is? Very, very, very common. Okay. So the he is going to change into here. So half her plus half here, like that. They stick together like that. Here, na, n, ta, ha. Yanantaha. Pravadanti avipashchitaha. Pravadanti avipashchitaha is going to become E plus A equals Yahalant plus A. And it's going to become Ra, Va, Da, Nt, Yahalant, Ya, Pravadantya, Vipashchitaha. I hope everyone was able to read this letter. Sh, half sh and ch. Sh, sh. This is a sound that's very common in Trinidad and Guyana. You know what word it makes? Sh. If you know, you know. No one should have an issue saying that word. Okay. Next. Bhoga Aishwarya. Bhogeshwar. Okay. A plus A is going to become A plus A is going to become A. And the answer is Bhogeshwar. Yeah. Bhogeshwarya. Karmani eva. A plus A equals Yahalant plus A. The number of mistakes that people make when they chant this verse with this specific word, oh God. Now you see, and don't say it wrong again if it was you. Okay? Karma. Ni is going to become nya. And there's an A. It's going to become ni. Karman ni va. Karmanyeva. It's karmanyeva in the verse because the next word is an asandhi with it. Karmanyeva. Please, I hope everybody dropped that but the ya doesn't stick to the little upside down na. There's a space there. Tu akarmani. U plus a equals vahalan plus a. And the answer will be tva, half the with a va and a tva. Good morning. Mate sangos tvakarmani tvakarmani tva. Siddhi. Oh, this, watch. This is the plus dha halant. The halant plus dha. This is the halant plus dha halant plus ya. Siddhi asidhyoho. And you're going to add another ya in all of that. E plus a is going to become yahalant plus a. That's Sidhya Sidhyoho. Sidhya Sidhyoho. Sidhya Sidhyoho. Sidhya Sidhyo. Anu Ichha. This letter I hope everyone saw. It was a chahalant and a cha. Ichha. So the U plus A equals vahalant plus A. And you get a na, half na, unvicha. 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 The remaining 3 I'll do tomorrow because I want to tell you all your homework for today. We didn't get to do one more. I have one more rule I wanted to do with all of you, but that's okay. Today, your homework is going to be the opposite of what you have been doing so far. We have been joining Sandhi. Today, we're going to break Sandhi. So this word is Chordvam. The first one is Chordvam. And I've colored the Sandhi in red. Chordvam. So now your job is to look and see which rule gives you O. Which rule gives you O? A or A plus O or U equals O. So you find the rule that gives O. So now you have, it can be cha or cha. Correct? The first word can be cha or cha. You can guess which one it is? We've seen cha only like 100 times. So I'm pretty sure you can guess it is cha. It is not cha. There's no word like cha. So you'll write cha. Now the other one. Urdhvam or urdhvam. It doesn't matter. You write either one and we'll fix it tomorrow. Okay? So you take your best guess. If you know chapter 15, it'll be easy for you. It's urdhvam. Just take your guess. It doesn't matter if you get it wrong, short or long. I want you all to try and separate it as best as you can. Okay? Clear? We should do one more. Karmanubandhini. Karmanubandhini. How does a form? A or a plus a or a equals a. So that means our first word is going to be karma or karma. And the second word is going to be anubandhini or anubandhini. Again, I don't mind if you write the wrong one. I want you to just take your best shot and break it. You're not going to get a wrong for writing the wrong one if you don't know what the word is. But you have to get the rule right and you have to try to break it. Karma, everyone will know, karma is short. So there I told you. For this one, it's karma and anubandhi. Okay, so you can write the word separately like that. So try, experiment. I'll send it to you and see how many you can get. Doesn't matter short or long if you get that part wrong, but you should get the Sandhi rule correct and you should get the general 2 words correct. And then we'll fix it too. Okay. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Shri Sakarnath Maharaj Ki Jai. Please don't use the Gita to check the words. I want you all to try and break it up yourselves and we'll fix it tomorrow. Don't worry. This is not about becoming perfect in the word options. This is about getting good practice in Sandhi. That's what the homework is. There's a difference. Okay. So please don't use the Gita to check anything. Whatever you need is in the homework itself. Okay. Yes, I'll take questions now. Yes, Mitesh.
Uh, this, I need a clarity on the 12th question for the homework. No plus evam.
Oh, I wrote Nainam. It's supposed to be Naivam.
Thank you.
Naivam. It's supposed to be. Any other questions? Arshad and Avinash and is Keshav still here? No. I want you both to send me your corrections. Take a picture now and send it to me, right? Okay. No other question. Sandhi rule number 8. Shanji. Sandhi rule number 8 is a or a plus a or a equals a. Okay. Rule number 10. 11. I or E plus a vowel equals Yahalantan vowel. O or U plus vowel equals Vahalant plus vowel. Okay. All right. Okay. Anyway, everybody, see you tomorrow.